Here's our review. Do you remember what a vowel team is? Think about it. I just flashed it so you saw it a little bit. But think about it. What is it? Tell someone near you. Oops. We good? Anyone want to volunteer that? Say it.
It's two letters that work together to make one sound.
Ooh. How many of you agree with that? Want to add on to that? Change it?
To add on to Lola's, that there has to be at least one vowel.
At least
Vowel team.
At least one vowel in a vowel team?
Because two vowels.
Well, let's take a look and check it, okay? We might need to synthesize our thinking a little bit, okay? 2 or more letters that work together to make one sound is a vowel team. But a vowel team usually is at least 2 vowels, okay? Sometimes there might be other things in it. We're going to see this in some lessons in the future. It's going to get different. Okay, here we go. E, this is our review. The long E sound, as in eagle, we learned that we can spell it with just the letter E, right? The long E sound. And we've already learned that E spells E in silent words like... And E can come in the middle of a word, right? Like those 2 words. And it can come where? At the end of a word, like in?
C.
And?
Tree.
Yes. And then it can come at the beginning of a word, as in what word? Do you remember it?
Eel.
I can't think of any others that have 2 E's at the start. Evie? Depends on the spelling, but most likely it's going to be E-V-I-E. Most likely. But good guess. I'm glad.
My friend spells it that
Does she spell it that way? Okay. Yeah, that's a new one. Thanks for sharing that one. Okay, so eel. And then hands up. Jazz hands. Okay, where should our supplies be? On the surface in front of you. Thank you. Okay, so E-A sounds like what? As in what? What does your mouth look like? E. It's a big, tight smile, isn't it? And your teeth are apart a little bit. E. Okay. And it can come where? In the middle of a word, like what words? And team. EA can come at the beginning of a word. Do you remember which ones? Eat and each. And then EA can come at the end of a word. Do you remember any of them? Ooh. At the end of a word? Flee. Nice. What else? T. Well, C like the water? Yes, like the water, not the eyeballs. 2 different C's. Tea. What do I drink every morning? Tea. Okay, tea and flee. Good memories. And then we have EY. What sound does that make? Mouth is the same, isn't it? Tight smile. I see Harper. E and Hannah. Nice smile. And Lily. Nice. Just a minute. Hi, Lizzie. Welcome. Just hop right in, okay? It's okay. You can just put it on the moon. Sure. So we have EY, and EY only comes where, though?
At the end.
Can we use at the end of a 2-syllable? Yes, at the end of a 2-syllable word. Can we start a word with EY?
No.
Not if it's a two-syllable word. Okay, so what word?
Money.
What are we working with right now in math?
Money.
So what should you know how to spell?
Money.
What else? Turkey. Okay, so we remember that when our mouth muscles are tight or tighter or they're more tense, we make that long vowel sound. Like all vowels, E is a continuous sound. So let's try it. E. It's not like CH, is it? That's a what? A stop. So we go E, and that can go forever. It can go on and on. Okay, so we have all these different ways we can spell it now. You remember them from yesterday? There's a lot. So be ready tomorrow on day 1 because you're going to have to remember them. You ready to read? Okay, let's read together.
Need. Green. Each. Monkey.
Okay, new concept review. Check.